Hey, what's up guys, this is Glucky YT and today I'm going to be unboxing a 2020 Chevrolet Corvette. So I've now unboxed the car and it looks really well detailed. As you can see, in real life this car came with a 6.2 liter V8 producing 369 kilowatts of power and 637 Newton meters of torque. Very powerful car. Really good looking, as you can see. Painted headlights. This generation of the Corvette is mid-engined, and this is the box. And then this is the car. As you can see, very highly detailed car. Painted taillights, even has a little number plate on there. Very good looking. And yeah, that's my shit. So thanks for watching. I'll see you all later. Bye.